Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Steam application on your mobile device. This video works for both Android and iOS device, so make sure to follow along step by step. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and in the search bar, type in Steam and search. Look for the Steam mobile application and tap on the Get button or the Install button to start downloading the app on your mobile device. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password on iOS. Meanwhile, on Android device, the application will start downloading immediately after tapping on Install. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open, and then you can go ahead and sign in using your existing Steam account's credentials. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Steam app on your mobile device. After logging in, you can chat, browse the store, and manage your games anytime, anywhere. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more quick Steam how-to guides. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.